Hi boys and girls, we're going to be doing some more practice today with our expanded form and place value. So this is just like what we already did, and so I'm going to do the first one with you, and then I want you to push pause and try the last three and see if you can do them on your own, which I'm sure you can. So we have, like on the first one, we have 50 and 8. Then we stretch it out in expanded form. 50 plus 8 equals 58. Okay, so let's try 63. So we have 63 and 60 plus 3 equals 63. Okay, now that we've done a couple together, I want you to try the last 3 on your own. So push pause on the video and give it a try, and then push play and correct it. And if you made a mistake, it's okay, just fix it. Okay, boys and girls, let's see how you did. 94 looks like this. 90 plus 4 is 94. So check that, and if you made any mistakes, just go ahead and erase it and fix it. Okay. For 17, we have 17. So we have 10 plus 7 equals 17. Okay, double check that one. And then let's do 30. 30 would look like this. 30 plus 0 equals 30. That one was kind of tricky, so double check and make sure you got that one correct. So, all right, turn it over and give your rocket math a try. Good work today.